Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cleaning and positioning your recorder so it can work at its best. First, remove dust from the mic inlet and buttons. Debris muffles highs. Once done, fit a foam windscreen or pop filter and hold the recorder about 612 away from your mouth. This reduces plosives and keeps dynamics even. Make sure the room is quiet, close windows, and add soft materials to cut reflections. These quick steps immediately improve clarity and reduce harsh artifacts. Now you optimize settings and refine your technique to capture better sound. You should switch to 48K HC and a higher bit depth when possible because it preserves detail. Then set manual gain. Speak loudly into the mic and lower the preamp until peaks hit no higher than -6 dB. This prevents clipping while retaining headroom. Also, practice a consistent angle and steady distance. Move less and speak across different volumes to learn how the recorder responds. These adjustments yield natural, usable takes. Finish by polishing and troubleshooting so your recordings are ready for use. You should load a gentle EQ. Remove 200-400 HC muck to clean the sound, then add a small boost around 48K HC for clarity. Once done, apply light compression with about a 2:1 ratio to even dynamics. Set medium attack and faster release so syllables remain natural. If you still hear hiss or clipping, record a brief test clip. Then lower gain or change distance. This test and adjust loop solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.